Well, hey everybody, just sitting here chilling on the front porch with my Airedales. It's a, it's a pretty nice evening. Pretty nice, pretty nice evening. Kind of dark out there, dogs. You scared? What, Duke? You scared? Boss, I ain't scared. You scared? I ain't scared, boss. But Curly, you scared? I ain't scared, boss. Puppies. Stoutly, you're a beast. Jazzy, my next generation. Stoutly. Gibbity. What? I got it, boss. Yeah. Casey. Leave that dog alone. I ain't scared. Pup. Older puppy. Not quite so old puppy. Older puppy. Not quite so old puppy. Not quite so old puppy. Who's on my door? Who wants to come out? Oh yeah? Okay. All right. Well, what? No, I don't want to go for a walk. I don't want to. Get up on that dump couch. Dog. Curly, you're some. You are some. Duke, you are some. Duke, you are some. Go on. All right, well, this is just what we do. Thursday evening. Just sitting here, drinking a beer, enjoying the day with my Airedales. Who's growling? Puppy, can you not potty off the porch? No, it's raining out there, boss. Yeah, it's been raining. Airedales hate the rain. They just do. So it's wet out there. I don't care. I'll clean up potty off the porch. I will. That's that little girl right there. She's precocious. Yeah, she's precocious. Look at her. Duke, leave that dog alone. All right, so anyhow, Cassie. Who are you? My name is Blue. What? No, your name is Blue Ribbon. Your name is Puppy. Pup. Pup. My good dog. My good dog. You're don't pick your Airedale based on that white blaze, folks. Contrary to Mr. Murphy, most of my dogs don't keep that white blaze as they grow older. Wait, you got bugs? What? You can't possibly have no bugs. That's not a good look for an Airedale. Flop that ear over. All right, well, just sitting here. Duke, you make me feel safe. Gibbity, you getting your food bowl on? Casey, Curly, Jazzy. I'm talking to you, you beast. Stoutly. me. That's my next generation Airedale. What? Leave that dog alone, Casey. Duke. Leave that dog alone. You beast. You thick-necked beast. All right, folks, this is running on. I'll talk to you next time.